Hi, this is Yvette with PolymerFilms. With the fast-paced environment and constant changes seen in electronic device trends, handheld and large format displays need materials that allow them to be slimmer, lighter, and capable of standing up to aggressive usage. With the increase in usage of these products, there is a higher level of protection that is absolutely necessary for these products. Constant daily use requires these applications to have a film that has excellent scratch and chemical resistance, as well as improved clarity, glare reduction, and greater light transmission. PolymerFilms has an extensive portfolio of specialty films and hard coats that are perfect for the industry. Our plastic films offer increased product longevity and a reduction in replacement costs, a cost-effective solution, and a lighter alternative.